So hello friends, welcome again to a new HTML video. So today's video is about CSS 2D transforms. So as you all guys know that we are doing CSS advanced programming. So this is the fifth video on advanced programming. So if you have not watched the earlier four videos, so go and watch those videos also. So today's video is about 2D transforms. So this video gonna be very interesting today, so stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Okay, so today's video is very interesting. So as you can see, this is our first program. So let's copy this program and let's see the output, what this program says. Okay, so I'm copying this program. I've copied the program and now I'll save in Node++. So as you can see, I've pasted in Node++. Now let's save this file in my HTML file. So here's the HTML file. So I'm saving by 1.html as it is my first program for today. So I have saved this HTML file. Now let's open the program. So as you can see, this is the program. Now let's open. So as you can see, this the rotate method. So this is the 3D or this is the 2D transforms, right? So how did we do that? Let's see in our program. So as you can see, this is our program and this is the output. So let's compare the output and the program. So first we have used, as we all guys know, that we have to use HTML tag, head tag, and as we are doing CSS, we have to use style tag. So under style tag, we have written div element, and under that we have written width 300 pixels, height 100 pixels, background color is yellow. As you can see, the background color is yellow, and border 1 pixel solid black, and the border is 1 pixel. Okay, so and the bracket is closed. Then again we have used the div tag. Okay, so we have written this syntax, then we have closed opened bracket, and we have written ms transforms rotate 20 degree. Acha, 20 degree it's rotating. And okay, then we have written transform. This is the syntax, transform quotation rotate 20 degree, standard syntax. As I said, this is the syntax. Then we have closed style tag, then we have closed head tag, then we have started body tag, and in the body tag we have written the heading, the rotate method. As you can see, this is the heading, and we have written a para. This is the para. The rotate method rotates an elements clockwise and anti-clockwise. Acha. So this is the para, as you can see. Then we have in the body we have used div element or div tag, and we have written this is the normal div element. Okay, and then we have written div id equals to, in quotation, my div, which is the div element is rotated clockwise 20 degree. Achha, this is rotated clockwise 20 degree. As you can see, this is the rotated form of this div box. This is the rotated form of this div box, right? This is the normal element and this is 20 degree rotated. So this is how we make a transform, 2D transform, right? So I hope you all guys have understood this transform, 2D transform method. This was a very interesting method, right? And it was very easy. So if you have not understood properly, then rewind this video and understand it, right? So this was the first program. Now let's go to the second program. So where is the second program? So this is the second program. Change several property values. Now let's read this para. What does this say? The following example means this example adds a transition effect. Achha, it's cool that it's doing a transition effect. I hope that you all guys know what is transition effect. For both the width and the height property, with a duration of 2 seconds for the width and 4 seconds for the height. Achha, now let's see how does it works. Okay, now this is the program, and let's copy this program, Node++. So I've copied the program and I'm pasting in Node++. So cutting this, pasting this one, saving into my file by 2.html, as it is our second program for today. So I've saved this file. Now let's open in our folder. So this is our file. So as you can see, the transition property. Okay, so how did we do that? Let's see how does the transition works. So now guys, let's compare this output with the means how this works, okay, with the program. So as you can see the transition property, now let's see how it works. Now as you can see, it's really cool, it's working, see, it's working. So it's really cool, the transition property is really cool, right? So how did we do this one? When you keep your cursors, then this becomes like this, right? So then let's see how did we do that. So under style tag we have used div width 100px and height 100px. The background color is red and the transition width is 2 second and the height is 4 second. As you can see, the width is for 2 second and height is for 4 second. Okay, then we have close bracket, then we have used div hover. This is an syntax. Then width 300px, height 300px. Then we have closed style tag, closed head tag. Then we have started body tag, and the body tag we have written the heading. As you can see, this heading, the transition property, and then in the para we have written the hover is div element below to see the transition effect. So I hope this transition effect is really very cool, right? It's really the best program of me, I think. Then we have used paragraph tag, we have written this para. Then we have closed div element, right? Then we have again open a para tag, then we have note something, we have written a note, then we have closed body tag and HTML tag, right? So I think this is the best program of all the programs. The transition property is really cool. As you can see, the effect is really too much cool, right? So guys, only this much for today. I hope you have all guys have liked this transition property. So if you have liked this, then please do like this video for this transition property and share and subscribe our channel. So for today only this much.